And I real shit swam today. Like, I felt so good just to swim. Like, I had to wait for all the kids to get out because, you know, kids like to splash and shit, and I don't want to be splashed. So
you don't usually swim?
I do. I just wait for all the kids to get out.
I hate the kids.
I don't like other people's kids, okay? I can do like other people's kids, but when they bad as shit, I don't know, dog. I can't deal with no bad ass kids. A package. So excited. BBL drizzle.
I was singing that earlier.
So they put everything in one box. I love how they do that. Okay, so the girl lost all her forks. I don't know how I lost all of my forks.
YouTube. If anybody know.
Wait.
Get a plastic bag.
Man,
go ahead. You danced all night, girl. You was cash. Go ahead and pick up all the cash. Oh yeah, Magic City on Monday.
The spoon thingy. Really want to go with the black theme, like. Thank you. I like.
It extends. Wow.
Yes.
No.
This is dope. And it's like, I wasn't recording. Well, anyways, again, cut part 2. Look at this spoon. Like, this spoon is super cute. Like I said in the other video, this was my favorite thing. It's a tough fork. Organizer, like. If you in Dallas, go to my nail tech, guys. I know my hands are ashy because I just got out the pool and I did not put on no lotion or whatever. So fuck you, don't talk about me, but the nails is raw. I have something that I've been wanting for a very long time. It's such a cute cup. Like, cup. Put it in the cup and I'm gonna be like, what's today? Today's Monday, June 24th, I think. I sent for y'all yesterday or whatever. I was on the phone with my friend, but we're gonna do like a real unboxing. So this is one package. And this is the other package. I really honestly forgot what this was, but we'll see. So I'm gonna do like some re-content or whatever, but as for like the unboxing part, I did not want to wait. Like, I'm not that type of, okay? I'm excited for this shit, okay? So I'm gonna unbox when I do it. Not only that, because I don't like keeping boxes in my house, like. Also, I didn't film me putting it together only because I like to do my Bob the Building work naked or like half naked or whatever. But y'all, like, the Vanity came in and I put it together this morning. So, oh, my back. So it came damaged. I'm pretty sure it's because FedEx literally slammed the box on the ground. So I have them sending me another, like, I asked for a mirror, but they was like, we're just gonna send you a whole nother one. So I was like, okay, that's fine. So I'll give this one to my sister. But y'all, like, look at this. I'm gonna go more into details a little bit later, only because I am trying to get some other stuff done. But I just ordered my skincare stuff because I like ran out ever since I've been here in Dallas. So y'all, we are about to get back on track. Like when I tell you, we are about to get back on track with the 5 a.m. routine, the working out, the skincare, the runs with Draco in the morning and in the evening. Y'all see him right now being a brat because he put all his balls under the couch and he wants me to get his balls. But yeah, I'm so happy for my vanity. We're gonna go more into detail. I also ordered some organizers for it, so those will be here today. So once like I'm gonna film me organizing everything. Like I'm super excited. But I'm about to put these LED lights. Oh, and I so forgot to show y'all like these other cups that I bought. I forgot, I'm sorry, but I also bought these cups right here. Super cute. I just finished drinking my kombucha, but I'm about to put up my LED lights. I honestly just don't know what part of the vlog this is. Like, I just been vlogging, but I haven't been keeping track of my vlogs lately. So excuse the like discombobulated vlog, but I'm going to I'm not even going to end this vlog out because we still have tomorrow. So tomorrow is the 4th of July. Yay! Y'all are probably not going to see this vlog until like August. Oh my gosh. But so right now it is 11:06. I'm finishing up my pineapple juice and I'm waiting on my tacos.
Pretty girl from Joburg, see me now, and that's what they prefer. Don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, maybe hit the drama. Unless you come in with that promise. Oh, DJ, turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, spinning on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face card, I can feel weaker. But they know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it.
Okay, so this one, I'm just looking at stuff. Guys, I literally have not been vlogging. I'm like so disappointed in myself, but we're gonna fix it today. Anyways, so I am finally about to put up my LED lights in my room. I just ordered a new mattress cover set or whatever, comforter set, shit, slow moment or whatever. But yeah, just ordered a new comforter set. I'm gonna go get some new pillows tomorrow. Yay! The girl got herself a box spring. I'll put the link in my description box because I love this box spring. It's like the way my bed, it was like set up. If I got like the 7 to the 10-inch box springs, my bed would have been way too high for my liking. So I got the 5. This is just what it looks like so far. I'll show y'all. Boom. I'm cleaning up, so don't say anything. But yeah, that's just what it looks like. I can't wait for the comforter set to get here. I literally like have been getting my house together and I have not been vlogging. But it's okay because I'm about to start now. Okay, I'm about to start now. So I'm just about to put up my LED lights. And I'm gonna do them how I did it in the beauty room. I'm gonna just line it up. And I'm gonna stop like right here, only because if I want to sleep with the LED lights on, they're not gonna be like all in my face behind my bed or whatever. If that makes sense to you, it makes sense to you. If it don't, it don't. Okay, but yeah, that's just what I'm about to do. So I'm just gonna record parts of me doing it because I want to listen to my music. And y'all, it is 12:09 a.m. So
I don't need no help. I did this shit by myself. On the set, I don't need no help. I fuck that bitch by myself. Blowing on it by myself. By myself. I need to ask me for the show. Money got a nigga away.
hey bookies, hi. Okay, so it is July 10th and I just picked up my rental car. Hold on, I gotta fix my cameras because I gotta drive back home. I need to go get my toes done, and then I need to I'm going to go home, get my toes done, and then go back and mop because I need to mop my house. My friend is coming into town, but what do you mean key not detected? It's right here, boogie. I'm about to just drive home, so I'll see y'all when I get home. Bye. So y'all, my fit for today, well for now, it's just white tank top and some jeans and my slides. I'm about to get my toes done. I'm excited.
When we hooked up, sat down, made an agreement.
I'm cleaning up, guys. Hydration break. Okay guys, so this is the outfit. I hope it goes as planned. Shoes, forces.
Look at the curves on you. Change up the rhythm on my thing. Baby, I'm supposed to sing you a song.
That is it. I'm about to get dressed. Yeah, I'm about to get dressed, and it's like, what time is it? It's like 1:30 maybe. So we're on track. So I'm taking this with me to, do I have that in there? Yes, I do. So we're gonna keep that here. Noted is buy some more makeup wipes. I don't have any more makeup wipes. And the girl is hungry, like real bad. But I'm trying to like do a healthy thing. I don't know, we're gonna figure that out. We're gonna figure it out because I need to come up with like a meal plan for the next week or whatever, and we're just gonna figure it out. So let's go get dressed. But I hope you guys like this look. I'm really trying to get back into doing makeup and just like beauty or whatever. So this Vanity has helped me a lot with staying on top of my skincare, staying on top of getting pretty, just feeling great about myself. It's giving me a lot of gratitude. So when I'm actually gonna go looking today for a bench or a chair. If I don't find one out, I am going to order it on Amazon, because I would love to have somewhere that I can read my book or just journal and just have no distractions. And that's just what I want to do with this room. This room is literally just like the lab. Like, it's the lab, it's the vibe check, it's my peace, my space, and it just makes me feel wonderful. Like, I want nothing to be just great vibes in this room. Like, if I ever just needed to recharge or reset, I just come to this room, and that's just what I'm looking forward to when it's done, because I'm not done. I have like 3 more things that I want to do. So that's just what I want to do with this room. This room was like my first priority, only because that peace of mind is very important, y'all. That peace of mind is very important, okay? So that's why this room is like first. And then I also like told y'all, like how I told y'all earlier, that I wanted to get a TV stand for my living room. So that's going to be another thing that I'm going to get this sometime this week or whatever. But those are like literally the only things that I really want to do so far. I want to get back into my diet, because the girl has been eating so unhealthy, and I've gained some weight over the past few weeks because I just haven't been myself. And sometimes it's okay to fall off, but you just got to make sure you get back on track, because if you don't, you're going to go deeper and deeper and deeper. You're going to dig yourself into like a deeper hole, right? So I don't know, by the time y'all see this vlog, it might be August. Y'all, it's July 17th or 18th, one of the two, I don't know. But y'all are not gonna see this until August maybe. But I think in August, we're gonna be pretty together. We got a vacation planned this upcoming October, hopefully in December as well. But yeah, that's just it. Let me go get dressed, because I kind of am on a time crunch-ish or whatever. Bye. We're dressed. Let me show y'all the fit. So we got graphic shirt, tee, or whatever. I can't remember where I got this from. Probably like Marshall's or something. Got this from Shoe Deal. Got this from Amazon. Took this from my ex, or he gave it to me or whatever. Jeans, Zara jeans. Shoes, Shein. Platforms, watch, birthday gift. That's it. And Draco in the back. This is the first Vanity I got. It was chipped, so they sent me a new one. I'm supposed to be, so I sold it to this girl, so I'm just waiting for her to pick it up, but that's the fit or whatever. So let me leave. Come on, Bookie. Okay, guys, we just made it to Ulta. Yay! Now we're gonna go in the mall, so I gotta go get some setting spray from Sephora. I got my car keys, because normally I be locking shit in the fucking car. That's the only thing. Okay. It's so sad to see what happened to me. Let's see if they have it. the one. So both of these. It's my manager's birthday, so we're gonna get her 2 of these. I got the I Am Rice and I got the honey. Oh, yes, I need my face. It's raining! Oh my goodness! It is, oh my gosh, it's raining like crazy. Oh no! This is what I get for not checking the forecast. I did not check the forecast. This is what I get. But luckily I have an umbrella. Get my umbrella. At the Home Goods right now. I'm so scared to get out of the car because the rain, y'all. But we got our umbrella. We got the umbrella. Oh, I need to send my brother $100. Let's go, y'all. Got this. Okay. I'm glad I have my umbrella. I've been looking for this. I said I should have got a bigger. I wish I saw this. Until I get the other stuff that I want. So I'm still looking around though. Like 9 of these. Cute. I like this. For the bathroom. That I wanted to put in the bathroom because I wanted to go with a bamboo theme and it's on sale. So I am going to get this one. Fuck you. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to go into Walmart. I'm gonna make this quick only because my phone is dying and I'm starving. So I want to go to Kava. Oh shit, my seatbelt's still on. Eerie moments. But I want to go to Kava too. So let's go. So this is my cart. Like I said, I was gonna come in here and do a whole bunch of bullshit, but it was needed. I made it home. Say hi. Say hi. Yes, I'm happy to see me. This is the damage today. So we got cupcakes. I got some for myself. And then we got cupcakes for my manager. Her birthday is tomorrow. Well, her birthday's on Monday, but she's not going to be here on Monday. So we're doing an office party for her tomorrow. So booyah, booyah. And then I don't know where my tripod is. It's somewhere under this mess. So we're gonna do a haul. And then we went to Home Goods. That's there. Then we went to Walmart. So let's get this unboxed.